Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove the background color of text in Photoshop. So let's started. At first, open your Photoshop document. I can see remove the background color of text in Photoshop. I can see then I show the text in outside the text background. Now I'm going to the remove that background. Now I'm going to the layer option. Now I can see then it show the two layer. Now select one text layer and second layer in rectangle one. Now remove the background. Now select from rectangle. Now click from mouse right button option. Then click from delete layer. Now click OK. That it's. Then again. Now select from rectangle layer. Now click from mouse right button option. Now click from delete layer and click yes. That it's. Now you can see remove background color of text in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.